point over there for a while.
In a time of Great Depression, storms hovering over Minnesota 24/7. People flying away because of the wind. It's so dark out, we can't even see them. Oh no.
Okay. It's raining.
Chase, don't let the wind carry you away.
There's cupcake.
What?
Cupcake.
It's stormy out. Like your mother. Chase, come here, hold this. I gotta go get a flashlight.
It's so dark outside. He left. He left me in charge of the camera. The camera. It's a truck! See, look at the truck. Can you see the truck? I don't think you can. There it is. Yeah, it's passing by. Look at go, 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 go! See, I thought you thought I dropped it, didn't you? It's lightning. Ooh, you see that? That was kind of light. Another one. There's another one. And there's another one. I'm scared. Ooh, it's fireworks. Now who'll be setting up fireworks at this time of day? I mean, I'm sorry. I get over. It's a tree. I want to see the tree. Can you see the tree from here? I would go over there, but it's all, you know, kind of rainy-ish. Kind of. Just a little bit. Holy crap. You know. Cupcakes. You know, that little piglet walking down the lane over there? See him? See him? See him? Can you see it? Can you see him? You can see his ears, can't you? Yeah. Yeah. He was my buddy. But then, hey, another piglet. Okay, he's back for 1984.
Oh my god. Ow. This is so... Oh, wait a minute, I'm filming myself. Wait.
Okay.
Man.
Part Wolverine. Part Wolverine. You know that?
Go find a flashlight in the house. What's that? Flying across the screen. Is that finally sunlight? No, that's just a light. Oh no! It's an earthquake! Oobla! 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 La 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 la. God, it's so dark out. You can't even see. Oh, see it? See it? Holy crap!
I scare you. Oh wait, what was I doing?
Go find a flashlight so we can see better. I would go out there for a better view, but I don't want to get my iPod wet. Yep, that's right. I'm filming on an iPod. Be right back. Don't worry, iPod. I'm just doing something. Lubricating my hair, wiping off my hands. This just comes to show. Hands will get wet. I'm gonna show you how wet it is. I'm gonna put my hand up. Alright, I'm putting it out there for like a second, okay? Probably can't see it. Oh, I'm gonna get into the light. Oh, why not? It's good. Look at how wet that was. I'm there for a second. Just pouring out. Pouring out.
Your mom's calling you.
Take over, Chase! And don't get it wet. Yeah?
I should get it wet. Okay, back. Oh, look at rocks! Gotta keep my cool. The piglet! Just kidding, it's a llama. Yep. What is this? A Weber. Well, we're not on the Weber net. It's a grill. It is a grill. In 1984, G2, you know what happened, right? Yeah, those people, yeah, with their, yeah, silly stuff, yeah. Silly stuff.
That's right.
Okay, what the flip?
God, you can literally hear how heavy. Is that a hail I see? Is that a hail, Chase? Go out there and check.
Okay. Holy crap.
What?
Just a ball of crap.
Holy shit! I'll bleep it out, don't worry.
Got secrets, customers.
But seriously, everybody is watching this video. And Chase, can you hear how loud it is?
I like to.
Alright, look at. Alright, I'm gonna get you a first view of my hand. See, hand. Dry. I'm gonna stick it under there for a second. Alright. One Mississippi.
The Weber nets are not getting very sophisticated.
I put it out there for a second. I was going to show you how rainy this is.
No, I don't think anybody's gonna watch this video unless you like it.
Make sure to give a thumbs up.
What's up?
Or perish! Oh no! Is that sunlight again? Nope, I fooled you again. It's just light.
Again? Where have I been these past minutes? Why did you get glasses? Yes. Oh, there's another person there! Did you see the person?
Yeah, he's on his computer.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. I'm recording for 7 minutes.
I don't think that's quite a long YouTube video.
I've seen hour-long YouTube videos.
Oh. Well, I haven't. I've seen like 5. I do not have high-speed internet. I only have... We're on that other person's lawn again. Look at... Nick, put the camera into the window.
What?
We're stalkers. Just kidding. We're not stalkers. I'm not
Sorry, people, if you can't really see it. All you can really see is the lighting. That's because it's not... Chase! Because it's not exactly the highest quality of a camera. Yeah, I bet you're wondering, Nick, why are you wearing those glasses? I don't really know. And by the way, you, whatever you call them out there, don't go making fun of our video. We're just having a good time, right, Chase?
The rain just got harder.
Shh. It just got harder. All right, I'm gonna do another one of those takes. Clean hand.
Yeah.
Or wet hand. I mean, not wet hand.
It might be filthy.
And now, ba 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 ba. All right, one Mississippi. Oh my God.
It's getting 10 times harder.
Oh my God, it just got harder. I bet you can hear that. It's harder. Oh my God, I'm being splashed from 2 feet away. Did it just get harder? Did it really just get harder? Like I said, what Ray William Johnson calls it, trolls out there, you don't make fun of this video. I mean, we're just having a good time, okay? You don't need to watch it. It's so...
This is my first YouTube video.
This isn't mine. Oh. I wish you could see how rainy it is.
Nick.
Just go in there and try to get a flat... Holy shit!
I stuck my head out there for a minute. Not even a second.
Chase, film my head. Before. Wipe off your hands. Wipe off your hands. Are they wet? I mean, they're good enough. Alright, look at my head before. I'm going to stick it out there for like a second. Alright.
That was not a second. That was like a minute.
A little bit.
We have to go right here. Let's go. Come on, go, 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 come. You're taking too much time.
Oh my god.
Okay, you gotta go in the lightning. Lightning. Lightning! You can't really see it from this angle.
Can you I'm like dripping wet, I'll tell you that.
Let's go inside now. It's
Alright, people who watch our video, this is Nick and Chase signing out.